ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services, 904-346-1266. So this is our new control panel. It is almost wired up. They're close. It's got an annunciator here. This is a very loud annunciator, silencer there. And on the top we have a flashy alarm that allows us, when the system is not working properly, it tells everybody. And we actually put the control panel towards the street, so that way if the county drives by, they can see, you know, the flashing going off, and it can help us to know that we have an issue, or the homeowner can see it, property owner can see it, the neighbors can see it. So that flashy light will help tell us that the system is down at a later date from a maintenance standpoint. So we're putting in the last clean out right now here. Clean out going in right there. They've attached the flange connection, which is quite a complicated experience. So we got the flange connection, and then we put this ram, what's that called again? What's that called?
Ram neck.
Ram neck?
Uh-huh.
So we put a ram neck in there. Ram neck helps keep it nice and weatherproofed. And then we have a lid here, which is a traffic rated lid. Even though I wouldn't drive over it, I don't think it's that smart. And all we have left is to put in the discharge, outflow discharge connection. But again, we replaced about 200 feet of sewer line, installing a lift station about 5 feet deep. And then, like I said, there's a city connection here, force main, and the other pipe is, all this is forced under pressure at about 45 psi. So the pump comes on. There's two pumps inside, two horsepower grinder pumps. And like I said, they come on. Here's the new sewer line that attaches to the house up the hill. And they're getting ready to put one more clean out in. We're just kind of sizing it up right now. But again, that's our panel box. And like I said, they'll finish up wiring it up tomorrow. That's ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services, 904-346-1266. 904-346-1266. And again, this is being installed by ASAP Plumbing and Lift Station Services.